Steve, good to see you again, my friend.
You too, Ross.
Thank you for the invite.
You're welcome.
I normally get invited to shithouse barbecues where my mates burn the sausages. So this is so much better.
This is a lot better than burnt sausages, no question about it.
Absolutely.
No question.
So what have you got for people who want to come out to either Sydney Motorsport Park or Phillip Island?
Well, we've got a fleet of the current model S1000RR.
Beautiful bike.
But we've also just added the Ducati V4 Panigale. So now you can choose from the S1000RR or the V4S Panigale.
So the two best superbikes on the planet.
Look, I'm a little biased, but I do believe that is the case, to
100%.
be perfectly honest. So this is if your standard hiring.
Yep.
For $545 on top of your booking price,
Yep.
you can ride one of these bikes for the day.
But it's not just these. You've also got a full factory experience. Tell me about that.
Well, you can ride the V4 Panigale S.
I think we need to go look at that.
Let's go look at that. So this is the Panigale V4S, but it's got the extra software package. It's got the exhaust system, the Akrapovic exhaust,
Yep.
data logging, so you can actually more finely tune this bike more than you can with the completely standard one. So it's a full upspec'd experience. It runs slicks, tyre warmers, or if the rider is a little less experienced, we might start them on the treaded tyre, and then as they progress,
Swap it out.
we can swap it out. Normally on the bike that you rent, you've got to share it with somebody else.
Yeah, right.
This bike is
It's yours for the
exclusively
day.
for you.
Yeah, okay.
So what we do is when you first arrive, we set you up, we get all the ergonomics right for you. So we make sure that the gear shifts where you need it, that all of the levers are where you need it, and that you're completely comfortable on the bike. We then send you out with the factory settings.
Yeah, right.
Once you come back, we then take a look at the sags, we take a look at the data on the way the engine management's working, and then we just put a little bit of a tweak there for you.
Wow.
And then every time you come in, we're looking at what it is that you're doing, and then just adjusting and developing the bike for you.
So it's an amazing experience because you're not going to get that just taking a standard bike out.
No,
Wow.
not at all. But not only do we have the Panigale, we've also got the S1000RR M Sport,
Beautiful bike.
which is the upspec'd S1000 with the carbon fibre wheels, the extra engine management. It's also got some software upgrades which allow us to fine-tune the suspension and the engine management more, very much like the V4S.
Yeah, wow. I mean, I've ridden this and it's an incredible bike.
The thing is, it swings and roundabouts.
Yeah.
Different people like different things. It's very much personal taste. They're both, from a performance point of view, very, very close.
Yeah, right.
We decided to go with the V4S upspec'd and the M Sport upspec rather than the R and the M1000.
Yeah.
Because those two bikes are very, very clinical race bikes. They've got a very narrow operating window.
Yeah.
Whereas these are a broader operating window, so the average rider is still going to cope well with them. But with all of the upgrades, it's going to be an experience like they would never have had before.
Yeah. Well, mate, I think I need to go get some leathers on. And being after Christmas, it's not really fair. I'm going to try and squeeze into a set of leathers, and I'm going to go take the Ducati out for a ride.
No worries. Well, I'll get some talcum powder to help you get into your seat.